today let's see how to write a SQL query to list the products that are ordered in a particular period. So, what the problem talks about, there is a product table. It has product ID, product name, and product category. Product ID is the primary key, which means this table will have unique records for each of the product ID. And there is a orders table which will have every record for the product that has been ordered, the order date, the date in which the order was done. Units is the total number of units that has been ordered. So this table will have duplicate rows in the meaning that a particular same product can be ordered in different date with the different units. So, what is the SQL problem? We need to write a solution to get the names of products that have at least 100 units ordered in February 2020 and their amount. Let's see how to write the SQL. So, we need to filter out all those products that were ordered in February 2020. Let's query the orders table. And if we look down here, the product sample table shows the ID, the name, the category. The orders table shows the number of products ordered, the date, the unit. The output it wants is like list down all the products name and the corresponding unit that were ordered for February 2020, where the total units for that product is either 100 or more. Let's query the order table. So we can see that it has product ID, order date, and unit. Now I want to bring all those orders that were done only for February 2020. Let's put a where clause here. So we do see that we are filtering out all the orders that were done for the February, because we can see in the order date it has pulled all the February 2020 orders. And the advantage of using this order date greater than equal to date is, if we have any index defined on the field order date, that index will be used. And this what this particular command does is 2020 -02 -01 is a string or character. The date in front of it will convert the string to date for the comparison. Now we need to sum up all the units by product ID and filter out all those units which are 100 or more than 100. Let's do that. let's run the query and see what happens. We do see that now it has done the group by, that is, it has totaled the unit, filtered the unit for 100 or more than 100, and it's bringing the product ID and the corresponding total units. But we need to show as our final output not the product ID but the product name and the unit. So now we have to join this result set with the product table to get the product name. We will put this SQL that we wrote as a common table expression. Then we will join this with the products. We don't want to show the ID. What we want to show is name. Let's run the query. So there is some syntax mistake. Let's correct this and run again. So this seems correct. Let's see what is the output. So the SQL gave the output as product name units, and the units are either 100 or more than 100. The expected output matches with what we have got. So what the final query is doing, with order data as this is our common table expression, then we join this with the products table to get the product name. So select product name unit from products table joining with the common table expression, and this is a inner join on the product ID. Thank you and meet you all with the next problem.